Board. There you can see Air Canada. I'm sitting in Air Canada and we are on seat 37A, and you have going to Munich, and they are showing the different sites. Munich, Germany. Olympic Park. That's the Olympic Park. We're sitting in the aircraft, and you can see the TV right in front. This is what is there on everybody's console. That's a Marine Square. Marlin Platz. I don't know anything much about Munich anyways. And it seems to be a nice place. The Star Alliance member. Yeah. So these are the instructions for Airbus A330-300. So for your safety they are showing you. You got to read this all in pictures for you to understand. In case of an emergency, what we got to do. Look at this.
The headsets connected to a portable electronic device must be removed. Please note that the exit sign on this aircraft are identified by a green symbol. The arrow indicates the direction, and additional information.
Pilot is telling us what to do.
On
the tarmac. There's that man guiding the aeroplane to come out now.
Les enseignes de sortie comportent un symbole vert. La flèche indique la direction à suivre pour se rendre vers l'issue. Pour plus d'informations, veuillez consulter la carte des mesures de sécurité propre dans la pochette de votre siège ou dans votre porte-revue.
That's the bus. So much goes on at the airport. See, we started moving. He's asking the aircraft to move. There. How do you know we are moving? Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow of the wing. I'm sitting behind the wing.
Cabin crew, please prepare for departure and cross-check équipage cabine en départ et contre vérification, merci.
Even these people are so important. Those who guide with those two lights. He's done his work now. Ask the bus to stop and let the aircraft go.
Secure it by pulling the strap and placing it over the metal fitting. To release, please take off and land it.
Si votre siège est équipé d'une courroie d'épaule, attachez-la en tirant dessus et en la plaçant par-dessus l'attache en métal. Pour la dégager, appuyez sur l'attache en métal et soulevez-la. La courroie d'épaule
There's a small little, I mean it's not small, but as compared to the aircraft, there is a small little motorized vehicle that brings the aircraft outside.
Electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival.
So we have to put everything on airplane mode.
If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not move your seat or try to
And now we have come on the runway.
Notify your cabin crew immediately to ensure the safe retrieval.
There's another Air Canada plane crossing us. Now we're on the tarmac. Almost straight.
Place your feet flat on the floor and top of head against the seat in front of you. Or rest your head and chest left. Grasp your ankles or wrap your arms under your legs.
En cas d'urgence, posez vos pieds à plat au sol et appuyez le dessus de votre tête contre le siège devant vous. Ou bien, penchez-vous et appuyez votre tête et saisissez
And
vos
now
chevilles. Passez vos
the
bras
engine
sous vos
begins.
jambes.
Engines are roaring outside now.
Shoulder strap. Bring your chin to your chest.
I'm sure you
and
can
place
hear
your hands
it.
under your legs. Palms facing up.
We are absolutely steady and that
Courroie d'épaule. Appuyez votre menton sur votre poitrine et mettez vos mains sous vos jambes. Les paumes vers
so there we are taxiing on the tarmac, as you see. Yeah, take
your relationship.
so there we are.
At Genesis, you are at the center of everything.
A lovely day, nice sunny day today. It's around 6, I think,
I know
6
that
p.m.
Canadians worry about how much they can spend in retirement. They wonder, will my money last? It's
Look at the
stressful. Many wish
huge
they just had a
span
pension
of the
like their
wing.
parents and grandparents may have had.
Flight attendants, please take off.
So we're ready to take off.
To
And
design the first
now we
ever
need to run.
investment fund that provides
We need to run on the runway.
and it's available for all Canadians.
Visit
Cloudy skies though.
or ask your financial advisor how longevity can fit into your
Cloudy,
retirement plan.
sunny skies. See the way they open and close. So the fleet of aircraft, all Canadian aircraft, had this part of that. Look at them open and close, open and shut. Like the feathers of the bird. And, wish man uses it for technology and not for destruction. Look at the pleasure that the Wright brothers have given the world over. Look at this. One can fly from one part of the world to another and meet their dear ones. Far there, you can see a TTC bus. Is it 401? Oh. This aircraft. Huge. Looks different to me. Those are the hotels out there. Still we are taxiing slowly. That's the 401. The road and the airport side by side. This is coming to land, I think. Yeah, coming to land. Speeding up the engine, and here we run on the runway. There.
earphones shortly. Then we'll be offering you a hot dinner service. And prior to landing, a light snack will be served. Thank you. Have a great flight.
Wink. The wing is coming in the channel.
Oh,
in there. Just a moment. Just a moment and inventory. Yeah, and there. CN Tower. CN Tower is there, right? Yeah.
Et avant l'atterrissage, une légère collation s'asservit.
Yeah. There, far away, you can see the CN Tower. That's Lake Ontario. Flying over Lake Ontario. Huge it is, yeah? There's so many vessels in there, ships. So beautiful. They look like little fishes. We are over Lake Ontario. really, what is it? It's like so strange from the ground in the sea. Yeah, like this. You can see this like water, yeah, waterfall. No. It's how to say? Something sand from. No, it's not sand. It's water, but inside water inside of